In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize your email messages and save your changes. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to update, and how to make your messages look professional and on brand. First, open your account dashboard and click Settings. This is typically represented by a gear icon, and it's where all the core preferences live. Give the page a moment to load fully so the options appear correctly. Going through settings ensures you're updating the default behavior for all future emails, not just a one-off message. Next, click Email Customization. This is the dedicated area for the look, feel, and content of your outgoing messages. If you've never been here before, think of it as your control center for tone, formatting, and reusable text. It's designed to help you create messages that are consistent and clear every time. Now, edit your email preferences. This is where you set the default copy that appears whenever an email is composed by the system. Add or adjust your email greeting and the main message so they match your brand voice. For example, you might set the email greeting to "Hello" and the message to "Thank you for your business." Keep greetings short, friendly, and inclusive, and keep messages concise while still informative. If your platform supports placeholders like a first name, you can plan for that in your text, but keep the wording natural in case a name isn't available. Also, consider whether your tone should be formal or casual, and make sure the language is accessible and free of jargon. After you've updated the content, review the message style. Check that your capitalization, punctuation, and spacing are consistent, and that any links or support references are clear. Read your message aloud to catch awkward phrasing. Think about visual clarity too. Short sentences, logical line breaks, and a comfortable length make emails easier to scan. If your platform previews the message, use it to confirm that fonts, colors, and alignment look clean and legible. Aim for a style that works well on mobile as well as desktop, since many people read emails on smaller screens. Finally, click Save Changes. Wait for the confirmation that your updates were saved before leaving the page. If you don't see confirmation, click Save Changes again or refresh and verify that your text is still there. Remember, you can always return here to adjust your greeting or message as your needs evolve. That's it. Simple, clear, and ready for consistent communication.